Let's take a look at how you can build a composite structure diagram in OpenDocs. The process is straightforward, and you can choose to make the diagram reusable or keep it local to a single page. If you prefer a reusable version, start by clicking the plus icon next to any node, then select New Component Page. A diagram picker will appear, asking you to choose the type of diagram you want to create. Navigate to Diagrams and select Composite Structure Diagram. You'll enter the editor with a clean and ready-to-use canvas designed for modeling internal structures and collaborations. From here, you can construct the diagram manually or use Create with AI to generate an initial layout. Keep in mind that the AI-generated draft will replace anything currently on your canvas. Once the draft is ready, you can reorganize elements, rename parts, add ports, and refine the structure until it accurately represents your system design. When you're done, click Save, then use the back arrow to return to your page. Your composite structure diagram is now reusable. You can insert it into any page whenever you need it. To add it to a page, open the page in Edit mode, click Insert, choose Diagrams, and select Import Existing. Pick your diagram, and it will be placed directly onto the page. If you only need the diagram once, you can also create it directly on the page. Just click Insert while editing, choose Diagrams, and select Composite Structure Diagram. The editor will open, and you can either build the diagram manually or let AI generate a starting point. And of course, you can adjust the AI version however you like. Save and close the editor, and your composite structure diagram will appear on the page.